To my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today I decided I was going to do a look with the James Charles palette, which admittedly is being really neglected in my collection lately. Just to play with it right now. So that's what we're going to do. Some Makeup Revolution primer. Look like a springy look, I suppose. And I haven't played, I think I played with the blues, maybe like a pink, and I think I played with the yellow. But I haven't played with a lot in this palette. So I'm just going to go in here and do like some kind of spring color. Of course, I want to see if that one even shows up on me. Brighter yellow. I think that's far enough not to make a muddy brown. It's more blue based, so I'm going to go into that color. Very pretty. Make a weird color, didn't it? Hi. Can I do my eyeballs? I'm going to go with this pink first. I'm going to try this purple glitter out just because I haven't tried any of the glitters out. And go into this darker pink. First in this light pink. Green, and go in that little like springtime green. Do the look with the palette, and to also do the giveaway that, you know, I've been held up for booze behavior, which my cat, go back if you or any videos this month and you'll see why. But in case of those who don't remember, my last Ulta haul before the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty was I had gotten the James Charles times Morphe palette. I don't know if this is still in stock. I know it went back in stock like yesterday, day before, but it could have very well sold out. I didn't pay attention. But I had gotten this, and like it went on in stock for just like minimal amount of time. And they sent it to me, and one eyeshadow was busted. But I opened it to check on it, and of course the eyeshadow was busted. Of course it was out of stock, so they just refunded my money. But, you know, my intention was this week to do a giveaway. And most people said, yeah, it still would make a good giveaway. I did fix it the best I could with some setting spray. But it did lose a bit of shadow. There's a decent dip in this shadow right here, this orange one. And still messy. But the rest are still really good. And most people said that they were okay. Or they think it would be okay if I like try to clean it up. It gets like everywhere. Clean it up. A little bit sensitive from that shadow too. But most of the shadow seemed really intact. It was just like transfer from that shadow was pretty, you know, bad. So I tried to clean it up best I could. So it's with the disclaimer that one, that shadow came busted and got into a few others, and I was trying to get it out. And then I already said it was setting spray, and you know, I opened it, but two, that, you know, I ship it as well as I can. That shadow might bust again, and that's the thing, like, if it busts again, that's just how it's going to go. I don't know if it's going to stay. I've never had a broken eyeshadow before, and then like try to fix it, get it to stay. I hope it does stay. But yeah, but I wanted to do this, you know, subscribers from staying at 1,200, even with YouTube making me lose like a bunch. I've still pretty much stayed at 1,200 and stayed really well. So, you know, this is just gonna be a giveaway. I'm gonna run this for probably like 3 weeks, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 3 weeks probably. I'll have the date down below, and then now Gleam's not even really an option because it has that, you can't make sure you're subscribed. So I'm gonna do that random comment picker down below. As long as with the disclaimer's gonna be in the vids. Don't be coming at me that, you know, I was trying to clean it up. I tried to reset that shadow. It lost a bit of that orange shadow. A lot of people still want it, and I don't have anybody immediately that I know that wants it and needs it. So, you know, I'm just gonna get away with it, I guess. So yeah, just leave me a comment down below. Hit you with this palette, and you accept it as is, and I will get that sent to you. But you have to like put a comment. I want to be entered, or enter me, and then say I accept the palette as is, as you know. I mean, I understand, Nicole, try to fix it. Okay. So anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, toodles.